Just about ready to begin day 6 and should be our final day. Unbelievably fast. So last night, the beast did not get blown off like it typically does every night because when Jenna left the field, she accidentally left with our trailer house keys. So Jim quickly came to the yard, shut her down, met her to retrieve the keys. So she's not as clean as usual. Notice anything here different this morning? Look at the flag. Barely moving. Maybe I can actually get the drone in the air today.
When you get down to Buffalo Bills, just park down there by the well because we're going to cut the bottom first this year.
Okay.
What'd you say? I didn't hear you. Sorry. Dump on the wagon? Yeah, that's fine. Then Tony can fill Tracy and put the remainder on our truck, and they can both be dumped on their way down to Buffalo Bill.
Field done. We've got Buffalo Bills field to finish and then a mud hole to clean up, and that should be it for the day. And they are calling for rain late this afternoon, so just perfect timing. Well, we're back to Buffalo Bill's well. I'll just read that sign to you really quick. It says Cow Creek Crossing was an important camp for Santa Fe trail travelers during the trail's use from 1822 to 1871. For 5 days in July 1864, 600 Indians laid siege to the trading post at this point, as well as to a wagon train. When they tried to overrun the post, William Buffalo Bill Mathewson fired a small field cannon into the midst of several attempting to use a toll bridge across the creek. So the creek is where that bridge is, of course, ending the siege. Thousands of traders, settlers, and soldiers crossed here in wagons drawn by horses, mules, or oxen, on horseback, and by stage. So Jim and Jim are trying to figure out if Frank can make it up over the mound of dirt that they had to put there to keep the field from washing away when there was heavy rains. So maybe I should go back in the truck and see what they have to say. How about you, Jim?
Yeah.
What'd you decide?
Well, when I walk down the hill, you can see where Jim coming with the tractor and cart. What I would do is I would just pull down there by the green Jeep, back in there where the tractor and cart went. You just back into the field and park it. And then when you leave, you'll be a little bit of jockeying around, like pulling up the road, backing down the hill a little bit and all that, but it's doable.
Okay. No problem. Whoa. Not sure why we call this Buffalo Bill's well, but there is a well here. Maybe this will tell me. The website that QR code took me to is very interesting, and it tells more information there than even this historical sign does. So if you're interested at all in history and want to know more about Wild Bill's or Buffalo Bill's well, I'll put the link to the website underneath the description of the video. You're happy? Good. What do you think? Wow. Are you a puppy dog? Whoa. Did you get done?
Yep.
That was perfect timing then. Oh, that was done in the nick of time. Literally.
Did Leslie come through the yard with the tractor?
Yes. Here comes Tony. Run, Tony, run.
Grab one more radio.
I like that dance. Wow. You want some chicken? Or are you just gonna suck on the bread? It's good, isn't it? So good.
She's just about.
Yeah? Lay back down here.
No.
Lay down here.
No.
Another one. The other bus, the other one. Hey, Jim and I really hope that you enjoyed today's daily update. If you did, why don't you give it a thumbs up for us? We'd like to know that. And be sure to hit the subscription button and the bell notifications so that you know when the next video is up and ready to watch. Thank you, and we're so glad you're along with us for the journey.